It's here. The truck the world didn't know it was waiting for. It's the dawn of a new beginning. Some trucks rely on roads already paved. Some choose to pave their own. Push past convention. Empower yourself beyond what's possible. And if the thing you want doesn't exist yet, you step up and make your own. Don't just leave a footprint when you can leave your mark. The power is in your hands to take charge. Engineered to embrace every turn, while safely guarding what matters most. You choose where the road leads. The new 2019 Truckla. Available nowhere.